So another short video today, we'll be talking you through the value for money ClassicBond offers and also some hidden costs that you need to think about. So as ClassicBond has a 50-year plus life expectancy, it really can be a fit it and forget it job. Most other systems don't have this sort of life expectancy. So really you should only ever be paying for this roof once. So square meterage wise, you're looking at paying around £15 to £25 per square metre. This is comparable to a decent quality felt or a GRP system. So in terms of installation, it can be cheaper to fit than say GRP or felt systems. As there's no special tools, the labour cost will decrease. A competent DIY will probably think about doing this themselves as well, saving the labour cost altogether. So a few hidden costs. If this was a new building, a new extension, then the boards would already be there and all the internal structural work would already been completed to building reg standard. So you can't go over the top of felt or other bituminous substrates. ClassicBond isn't like other systems that can overlay. So where hidden costs can creep in is where existing roofs or old roofs need to be stripped. So firstly it would be if the existing roof need to be stripped, the existing substrate. This can add labour and also the possibility of skips. Also new decking boards would need to be factored in and any rotting joists or timber work. And with stripping a complete roof you may have to upgrade the insulation as well and construct a warm roof build-up. You would have to check this with your local planning office as all projects are different and regulations can change. Lastly would to be factoring in your detailing work. Roofs with lots of pipes, skylights, different protrusions, then the price of the materials will increase. So different ancillary detailing materials can actually add on to the project up to 50%. So that is just something to be mindful for. Hope the video helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe.